Hello, in this video, I'll be giving you a quick guide on how you can download HSBC bank statement in PDF so you can keep or share an official copy. First, sign into HSBC Internet Banking on a desktop browser for easiest access. Next, you will just have to find the account section and select the account that you would want a statement for. And after that, you will just have to look for statements or documents and choose the statement period you need. Then, click Download or Download PDF next to the statement and save it for your computer. And finally, open the PDF to verify the details and store it securely. Quick tip: if you prefer the HSBC app usually has a documents for or e-statements tab where you can download PDFs as well. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.